with our questions or under set intervals, where we're looking at questions which are involving set builder notations. And in this video I'm going to continue from question 2, as we already did question 1. So in question 2 reads, find the indicated set if a is equals to x such that x is greater or equal to -2, and b is equals to x such that x is less than 4, and c we have c is equals to x such that -1 is less than x and x is less than 5. So the first equation is find b union c. So find the indicated set which is b union c, and then b intersection c. Also have c which is a intersection c, and g we have a intersection b. So how can we solve these questions? So the best approach to these questions is to simplify the set builder notation so that you know what elements are represented by each set. Okay, so to simplify this, I'm going to use intervals instead of set builder notations. So a will be equals to, so whenever I use a circle bracket like this one, that means the element which is close to this, the first element in this interval, is not included in that set. So if I use a square bracket like this, that means this is a closed interval, and the number which is close to that square bracket is also involved in that set. Okay, so let's look at set A. Set A, they have given us a range or an interval stating that x is such that x is greater or equal to -2. So this set is going to involve all the numbers which are greater than -2, including 2 itself. So this set will be 2 is included, so I'm going to use a square bracket -2 comma. Okay, so all the numbers greater than -2, including -2 itself, so that is from 2 to positive infinity. So that is the interval of this set, which is set A. So set B will include all the numbers which are less than 4, meaning we are going to have the smallest number, which is -infinity, because all the numbers less than 4. Then from there we are going to move on to, okay, so B will start from -infinity, comma 4, and I'm going to use a circle bracket because 4 is not included in that set. So from here now we can start answering these questions. Okay, but before that, let's also write set C in terms of intervals. Okay, so C in terms of its intervals, it's going to be C is equals to, so C includes all the numbers between -1 to 5, including 5 itself. So we're going to use a circle bracket because -1 in that set is not included. Why? Because they have used it's less than -1 is less than x. Okay, so we're going to use a circle bracket -1, then comma, x is less or equal to 5, meaning 5 is also included, so we're going to use a square bracket. So after you have written all your sets in terms of their intervals, now it will be easy for you to answer these questions. For example, A, we have B union C. So B union C, to answer B union C, what you do, you simply say B union C is equals to, so you replace our B is this set there, which is negative infinity, comma 4, close, then union. We're going to put our symbol for union set there. Then our C is this set here, so we're going to put it there, negative 1, comma 5, like that. Okay, so from here, what you do now, you simply come up with a single set, which is represented by these two sets here. For you know that a union set includes all the elements in B and C. Okay, that is a union set. It includes all the elements which are into these two sets. So what are we going to do? We are going to start with the smallest number here and this side. Okay, so the smallest number here will be negative infinity. This one is greater than negative infinity because this one is going in the negative direction. We do not know which number exactly, so we're going to use an open interval this side, and then we include negative infinity, then we say comma. Then from there, now we look at these two numbers, 4 and 5. Which one is greater than the other? Okay, so in the first place, we looked at the smallest number between these two. And then in the second place, we look at the greater number, a number which is greater than between the 4 and 5. And we know that 5 is greater than 4. So what we do now, we are going to, okay, so here supposed to use this kind of a bracket this side, not a square bracket on set C. So the number which is greater than the other is 5. So we're going to put 5 here, and we are going to use a square bracket like that. Why? Because 5 is also included. Okay, then from here now, let's now write our answer in form of a set builder notation. Okay, set builder notation. Why? Because our question, if you look at our question here, our question was in set builder notation. When you look at this and that, they were in set builder notation. So it is advisable to just write your answer in a form of a set builder notation. So our final answer would be x such that x is less or equal to 5. Okay, then we close like that. So that is the correct answer for B union C. Okay, so we are going to look at question B in the next video. In the next video, we're going to look at B intersection C. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section concerning this video.